Dear students, good morning. How are you? I am your science teacher from Pakistan International School, DOHA-QATAR. As you know, this is our 6th week of e-learning class. In our previous lecture we have studied some test yourself questions of first unit work and energy. Today we will discuss remaining test yourself questions. Therefore all of you open your science book, page number 8. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to solve test yourself questions on their notebook. Test yourself. Page number 8. Dear students, we have done question number 1. Now we are going to discuss the answers of questions 2, 3 and 4. Question number 2. What two things does kinetic energy depend on? Its answer is, as you know, the relation of kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, so from this relation it is clear that kinetic energy depends upon, number 1, mass of an object. Number 2, speed or velocity of an object. Question number 3. Explain why a flying aeroplane has more kinetic energy than a flying insect. Its answer is, a flying aeroplane has more kinetic energy than a flying insect, because the mass and speed of the aeroplane is greater than that of the insect. Question number 4. Explain why a truck traveling at the same speed as a car has more kinetic energy. Its answer is, a truck traveling at the same speed as a car has more kinetic energy because of mass difference. The truck has greater mass than the car. Test yourself, page number 9. Question number 1. Part 1. What is radiated energy? Its answer is, radiated energy is energy carried as moving electromagnetic waves. These waves can carry energy through space. Part 2. Give 2 examples of radiated energy. Its answer is. Examples of radiated energy are: A. The sun radiates light. B. Transmitters radiate radio waves. Question number 2. How is sound energy produced? Its answer is, sound is produced due to vibration of a body. Any vibrating object is a source of sound. Energy is transferred in longitudinal waves away from the source of sound. Question number 3. Explain why hot objects lose heat energy when they cool down. Its answer is, heat energy always flows from hot body towards the cold body. When a hot body cools down, then the kinetic energy of the molecules decreases. In this way, motion of the molecules and atoms decreases and hot body loses heat energy. Question number 4. Explain how electrical energy is transferred from a battery to a light bulb. Its answer is, current is produced due to flow of electrons. Moving electrons can transfer energy from the battery to any electrical device such as a light bulb. Dear students, write these questions on your notebook. Test yourself. Page number 11. Dear students, we have done question number 1 and 2. Now we are going to discuss the answers of questions 3 and 4. Question number 3. Describe what happens to the kinetic energy of a hammer when you use it to hit a nail. Its answer is, the kinetic energy of the hammer is converted into thermal energy. The work done to hit the nail is transferred into thermal energy. Question number 4. Identify the energy conversions that take place when a ball is kicked against a wall. Its answer is, when a ball is kicked against a wall, work done is converted into kinetic energy. When it hits the wall, kinetic energy is converted into sound and thermal energy. When it bounces back, remaining energy is converted into kinetic energy. I hope you have understood all the questions. Please don't hesitate to ask questions from your respective subject teachers if you are facing any difficulty. Homework. Write down the answers of all the questions on your notebook, which have been mentioned in these slides. Learn the statements of did you know and different figures which are given on page number 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 of your science book. From next week, we will solve the exercise questions of this unit. Thank you and goodbye.